Today's topic is preparatory offenses in Arizona. I'll talk about the main categories of preparatory offenses and the difference in charging levels for the different preparatory offense categories. My name is Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney with ASCOPS in Arizona. Preparatory offenses are found in Chapter 10 of Title 13 of the Arizona Revised Statutes. The four categories of preparatory offenses are conspiracy, attempt, solicitation, and facilitation. This video provides a general topic summary and not all of the details related to each category. So when in doubt, contact your legal advisor for clarification. Generally speaking, the level of felony attached to a preparatory offense depends on the seriousness of the related crime. So, starting with conspiracy. Generally speaking, conspiracy to commit a crime is charged at the same level as the underlying crime. So conspiracy to commit a Class 2 felony would also be a Class 2 charge. Conspiracy is defined by ARS Section 13-1003 and occurs if a person with the intent to promote or aid the commission of offense agrees that one or more person will engage in conduct constituting the offense and one of the parties commits an overt act in furtherance of the offense. For example, if someone cuts the security camera wires of a store to allow for someone else to break in and steal, that person committed conspiracy to commit robbery. Attempt is charged one level below the underlying offense. So for example, the murder of a police officer is a Class 1 felony, so the attempted murder of a police officer is a Class 2 felony. Attempt is defined at ARS Section 13-1001 and occurs if a person acting with the same culpability required for the underlying offense either intentionally engages in conduct that would constitute an offense if the circumstances were as the person believes them to be, or if the person does or omits to do anything which under the circumstances the person believes them to be is any step or course of conduct planned to culminate in the commission of an offense, or in limited other circumstances that, frankly, are difficult to explain in a 5-minute video. Next is solicitation, found at ARS Section 13-1002. Solicitation is charged at 2 levels below. So in that same example from before, solicitation to murder a police officer would be a Class 3 felony. Solicitation occurs if a person, other than an officer acting in the line of duty, acting with the intent to promote or facilitate the commission of a felony or misdemeanor, commands, encourages, requests, or solicit another person to engage in specific conduct which would constitute the felony or misdemeanor or would establish the other's complicity in its commission. Finally, there's facilitation. Facilitation is found at ARS Section 13-1004 and is a Class 5 felony if the offense facilitated is a Class 1 felony. It's a Class 6 felony if the offense facilitated is a Class 2 or 3 felony, and is a Class 1 misdemeanor if the offense facilitated is a Class 4 or Class 5 felony. A person commits facilitation if, acting with the knowledge that another person is committing or intends to commit an offense, the person knowingly provides the other person with means or opportunity for the commission of an offense. So if my friend says that he wants a baseball bat so he can use it against his boss, and I give him my Louisville Slugger, and he then goes and commits aggravated assault, I've committed facilitation, and even if I wasn't there, I can be charged with a felony. For attempt, conspiracy, and facilitation, if the defendant voluntarily and with a complete effort to renounce criminal intent gives a timely warning to law enforcement, or otherwise makes a reasonable effort to prevent the conduct, that renunciation may be able to serve as a defense for prosecution. But this renunciation doesn't count in all circumstances, including if the person waits too long or if they don't make a substantial effort to prevent the underlying conduct or result. This generally covers preparatory offenses, but here I'll repeat my disclaimer from before. I can't cover all the details of preparatory offenses in a brief video. If you have additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more law enforcement lessons. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.